Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version so you know which options are available. Once done, make a quick backup to iCloud or Finder. This protects your layout if something goes wrong. Next, open Settings and go directly to Home Screen or Accessibility, depending on your iOS build. This is where the dock and layout controls live. Make sure assistive options are enabled if you rely on gestures, because they change how you remove or hide interface elements. You'll now turn off dock features or hide it. In Settings, open Home Screen and toggle any dock appearance options. This removes persistent recent apps and minimizes icons. If your iOS version lacks that toggle, go to Accessibility and experiment with Reduce Motion or Custom Layouts, which can prevent the dock from auto-presenting. For advanced users with jailbroken devices, install a trusted tweak that specifically removes the dock. But note why. It changes system finish by restarting your iPhone so the system applies layout changes and clears any cached interface elements. This often finalizes dock removal. If icons or the dock reappear, reset home screen layout in Settings General to revert stubborn settings and then reapply your hide steps. If problems persist, restore the backup you made or update iOS because some dock behavior is fixed in patches. This troubleshooting tip prevents losing data and resolves conflicts caused by settings or third-party modifications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.